Woohoo! It's clean. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're just going to be installing just a few minor mods for the car just to refresh the look a little bit. Got two side markers here for vent lights. I'm pretty sure these ones are for the front, but they're going to show like the white. And then I got a reverse light, LED reverse lights, LED license plate lights.
Alright guys, we're working on our first side markers here on the left. Gerard, show what's the plan?
Alright, so there's just four little bolts right here. Or not bolts, it's just little screws that hold it in. I'm pretty sure just like a flathead. Just put it like right through and it just pops out, and then should be able to get into those whole things. So,
And we're going from orange to a blackened look, much nicer.
my goal is not to break anything. So with the whole fender or fender liner out, you see in here, I think this thing just pops out. There we go.
Nice.
Easy peasy.
Nothing broken.
Let's hope so far.
Clips look pretty good too, so
Super brittle, so if you are working on your Corvette, be very careful. There we go, nice. And then, where'd the light go? Put this one back. So don't do what we just did. And leave this thing in there. Oh, nice.
I got used to it. Strong. I was working on my own speakers yesterday.
Okay, and then we'll plug this in real quick. And then we'll test it, see if it turns on. There we go. Oh, that looks really good.
Much cleaner.
Wow. And we'll see with that on there.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Much.
Oh, that does look really
Much cleaner.
Wow. Sorry, the car's dirty. We're gonna give the car a wash later. But yeah, that looks really good. Alright, cool. So now for the second side.
Same thing, y'all.
Off to the rear ones. To get these ones out, I'm gonna take the left side or the furthest tail light out, and I hope this screwdriver. Put this on. Little hiccup. We don't have the proper tool. Well, I thought I would have it, but just take out the screws back here. It's like a
hex.
It's like a hexagon.
Hexagon.
And we have some here, but they're like slightly too big.
So AutoZone trip.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Go back to this.
Pretty sure.
Nice. So this is the T15 that we were missing. Had to make a quick AutoZone stop, and
We back.
learned. Make sure everything fits beforehand. So yeah, here we go. Gonna try it out. Would you look at that? It works.
We did it.
Gotta be really careful with these things too, just because.
And you don't want to scratch the taillight.
Yeah, these guys are. So.
Nice.
Trying to grab this one.
You said you weren't going to use it. You're using it now. Ta-da.
Yay.
Woohoo.
Alright, you just gotta be really careful with these wires because they are brittle. So can I have you hold this?
Sure.
You can probably just. Yeah, cool. And. The wire fell.
Well, we found out the reason why it's not on, guys.
Yeah, so I thought this light was broken and I was scared it was going to be like a fuse or the wire's broken, but it turns out they just never plugged it back in.
walk around just to test.
Ooh, that looks
Nice. Looks clean.
Definitely need to get better headlights.
Yeah, new headlights eventually.
So far, it looks really good.
All right, 2 more things. We got to do the reverse lights to LEDs. Here we go.
And the license plates too.
Oh yeah.
Alright, well, unfortunately,
We can't finish. We don't have the right tool to remove the fender.
not the fender, but for the reverse light, this little bottom diffuser part, would have a socket wrench small enough, but we'll save that for another time, especially probably when we do the wing and the lip.
But we were
Side
able to
skirts.
change the side markers at least.
Yeah.
So
No, this looks really good. It's more of a modern look.
looks real nice.
I prefer the white. I feel like a lot of people do the yellow, and I don't know, it kind of looks good. Especially once I get new headlights in the future, these will kind of burn through. We also got the license plate lights, all white.
Oh yeah, let's show them that. That one was annoying to put on. I don't know if you could tell with the time lapse, but the design was not the best.
Yeah.
And so it was a little finicky, but lots of fun. We're gonna head home, freshen up real quick, and we'll head to the car wash. Peace. Well, it's a good day. Installed everything you wanted to install except the rear reverse lights and cool little montage. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Sorry about the audio too. We forgot to plug in the mic, but hopefully the captions helped out. Ending the day with my favorite milk tea. So
Stay tuned for the next video. I feel like it's something that's going to be really fun. Not going to say what it is until then, but it's kind of a mod that's much needed in this car, and it's really gonna, I'll just say it'll wake up the car. So
and it may wake up a lot of neighbors as well. So lots of fun. See y'all next Saturday.
yeah.
Yep. Hope you enjoy the video. Peace.
Peace.